Hello, welcome to Industrial Surplus. Today we're going to do a video demonstration of our 1998 Okuma Howa 4-axis CNC vertical machining center. This is a model Millac 438V. It has 17,700 hours on the cutting time. The table size is 16 by 41.5. X-axis travel is 32. Y is 17. Z is about 19 inches. It's a Cat 40 spindle tool, spindle nose. Box ways, nice solid hard box ways. 20 position tool changer. GE Fanuc Series 18M CNC Control. Has a handheld operator. Renishaw tool probe. Has a hydraulic power pack up on top if you wanted to do any fixturing, hydraulic fixturing, things like that. It's all equipped, ready to go. Just jack in some air and in your fixture. It's also equipped with a coolant pump and tank. This is the electrical cabinet. I'm sorry to say we did not get any manuals with the machine. Here's the Renishaw control. Walk around the back side here. This is the oil chiller for the spindle. Automatic lube system. There's another view of the tool probe. So we'll go ahead and start it and do a little demo. This is a 4-axis machine, but unfortunately I don't have a 4th-axis rotary table for it. We're only running 3-axis now, but if you have a 4th-axis table for it, should plug right in. We don't have any tools. It's a 40 taper, Cat 40 taper holder, I said, and so therefore we're not going too fast on the spindle. We want to keep it slow, under control. We can override it 150%, just to give you an idea. You can hear the, I guess, what are they, motor windings?
Sound of the drive itself.
Yeah, changing, but it has the hard box ways. Nice solid machine. There's no linear ways on this. It's just a solid, rock solid machine. In great condition. And that's the machine. All right, if you have any questions, or you'd like to set up a actual inspection of the machine for yourself, we're more than welcome to do so. We do guarantee the machine for 30 days. And thank you for your time. Hi, this is Industrial Surplus. We're back for Section 2 of running our Okuma Howa Millac 438V vertical machining center, built new in 1999. Our reference number 76A-134. And we didn't quite get a chance to do the spindle speed range, so we thought we'd videotape that and show you. I'm going to have to get real close so you can hear it. The spindle speeds in different ranges. Right now we're in we put in 2,000 RPM and then knocked down the spindle override down to 50. So we're running currently at about 1,000 RPM. And we'll just ramp it up one notch at a time up to probably 3,000 RPM. I'll get right in there so you can hear this. Or in this case, not hear it.
2,000.
That's 2,000.
Now we're in the high range. 3,000.
3,000 RPM. Now, if we shut it off and go, I don't know, what's the RPM on this one? Do we know offhand? It's 400 RPM.
That's not what I intended to do.
But it's in, it just sounds just as well in low range as in high range.
4,000.
Okay, that's 4 at 150%?
4,000 and 100. 6,000.
6,000 RPM.
Maybe a 700.
What's that?
That's 6,000. 7,500. 5,000. Need to go higher.
Yeah, I think that's probably good enough. Gets scary after that, a little bit.
I'm gonna go to 2,000.
Okay, and you also said we could do a tool change?
Yes, sir. Alright, let's do a tool change.
Tool not found, so we got to get to the right tool. Pretty quick, just to show you that that does work too. So that's it. Okay, we're glad we were able to show that to you and get it on tape. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.